Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teachnology. In this video, I would like to show you how to use a simple application to mark student attendance during online class or face-to-face class. This application not only lets you mark attendance, but also allows you to save the attendance in the form of an Excel sheet. Firstly, the things you need: an Excel sheet with the roll numbers of students and their names, and this simple application called Attendance Taker. I am leaving the link for this application in the description box. You can download the application on your Android mobile phone and use it to mark attendance. This application has a very simple interface. It has 3 tabs: class, attendance, statistics. First thing that you have to do is to create a class with a name. Assuming I am creating a class with the name Software Engineering, I am also creating another class named C Programming. So, I am the teacher of these 2 classes. First thing, I have to add students to this class. You can add students one by one, but it is very difficult to add student name and roll number one by one, because a normal class consists of 60 plus students. That is why we will use an Excel sheet to copy paste roll numbers and names of the students. For that, you open the Excel sheet that consists of the roll numbers and names of the students. Copy both the columns, roll number and student name, and go here, open the class where you want to paste the names of the students, and here go here and click from clipboard. When you click from clipboard, it copies whatever you have copied previously from the Excel sheet and paste it here. Wait, I have forgotten to copy it. So, I have copied from the Excel sheet and I am pasting the roll numbers and names. I have selected both the roll number column and student name column because I want the roll numbers just by the side of their names, so that it does not create any confusion. So, I have added students here. I will also add some students to this class, same students to C Programming class also. Now, I have to mark attendance for the students. For that, I will go to Attendance tab. I will go to Attendance tab and go into Software Engineering class. This application allows you to change the date and time. So, today is 21st, time I have class from 3 o'clock. So, I will mark the attendance of the students. I will put a tick mark for those who are present and leave it blank for those who are absent, and I will save the attendance. Similarly, I will also mark attendance for C Programming class, but I have taken this class yesterday, but I forgot to mark attendance. So, I can go back and mark attendance on 20th, assuming I have class at 2 o'clock. So, I will mark attendance and save it. Okay. Now, I want to retrieve the attendance. Before that, I'll add attendance for another day. Say for 18th, I have class at 12 o'clock. I'll mark attendance for that also. I'll save it. So, now I want to retrieve attendance. I can go to Statistics tab and simply click Save. Okay. Now it downloads the Excel sheet that consists of student attendance. I'll open it using an application called Microsoft Office. Now the Excel sheet is opened. I have marked attendance on 18th and 21st. Automatically the student attendance is downloaded.